What's up guys, welcome to one of my videos. Today I'm going to be practicing shooting that guy. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, I've not even done it. Just quickly load it. Oh, I don't know what, I don't have my toy bullet. Well, I'm not really going to shoot him with that bullet, am I? Well, a fake bullet anyway. Okay. So I can't
FBI, open up. Put that down too. Ground. Hands behind. Get up now. You go so. Then I'm putting.
No.
Now, whatever this thing is, it's apparently recording me. But if you ever do anything wrong, I'm part of the FBI. I will be at your house in seconds. You will not be alive, but I've kept her alive to go to jail. Now, if you ever do something wrong, then you will go to jail. That's it.